Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLNK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one. Volume, very, very respectable. Price all over the place. Unfortunately, though, in trading terminology, this is what we would call a gap and trap on the day. What do I mean by that? Well, the price closed right there on Monday, and then this morning opened up right there, hence a big old gap up. And then after the opening bell rang, I mean, there was a little bit of a bright side. The price moved up here a little bit. And then this is where things get savage because there were some poor souls that were buying up around this area. And then from that point forward, it was basically all selling pressure the rest of the day. So, in like I said, in trading terminology, that was the gap and trap that took place. And now it really becomes a matter of, is the price going to be able to stay above what I would consider a very important level of support right down here at the $11 mark? Why is $11 so important? And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to happen, but if the price were to come down to 11, behave in that manner, and then eventually work its way to the downside, what would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas at least if the price could maintain above this area here and work its way upwards, at that point you'd have a situation where you'd have lows right there, you'd have these lows down there, you envision those as stair steps, and at least you still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. So $11 for those reasons is what I would consider a very, very important level moving forward. Now, if the price does decide it just wants to work its way back upwards, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key area of resistance right there at 12.15, and then after 12.15, more of an overarching level right up here around the 12.85 mark. But yeah, things are looking pretty shaky right now. We'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.